In the news tonight, President Rodrigo Duterte believes that the drug menace in the country is massive. He also notes that illegal drugs are now being manufactured in non-traditional places, and the president laments that many involved in the narcotics trade are Chinese citizens. The president spoke during a dinner in Malacanang with the San Beda College of Law alumni. In his speech, the chief executive also reiterated his plan to prohibit the demolition of informal settlers' homes if they have nowhere to relocate. More of this report from Rocky Ignacio.
President Rodrigo Duterte vowed to do what is right for the Filipino people. The president issued a statement during his fellowship dinner with San Beda Law batchmates class 71 and 72 in Malacanang. He said his administration will focus on the fight against illegal drugs, corruption, and criminality.
Sabi ko, I will put at stake the presidency, my honor, and my life. Kasi seryoso ako. Talagang seryoso ako dito. Wala akong pakialam. Ang paradigm ko, hindi dito sa Maynila, sa Mindanao. Patayan ka agad. Ay, nalaman ko. Bakit ko papalitan? It is serving the country well. I know that it would put me, siguro, I will retire with the reputation kay Adi Amin. Ganda. Pero itong aking kriminal, hindi mo mapapatay ng isang tao. So, what do you make about these guys cooking inside? I said, there would be a reckoning. There were always... Kaya itong sabi na, puro matay abogado ito halos. Kasi mayroon tayong death penalty noon. Wala man nangyari. Bakit mo i-revive ang death penalty ngayon? There are two interpretation of the penal or punitive laws over land. It is the positivist, which is that a man could still be or the classical. Ako classical. Retribution. Magbayad ka sa ginawa mo. Ano ito? Libre ito sa mundong ito? Bayad ka.
The president also expresses determination to adjust salary of uniformed men, a significant measure to prevent law enforcers from any wrongdoings, especially in the fight against illegal drugs.
Kaya the other day, naglabas si Secretary Jok, sabi niya na hindi matuloy yung increases ng sweldo ng mga police pati military. But I just kept quiet. But during the campaign, I really promised the police to double your salary, pati military. Why? I cannot run a country that is corrupt sa police. How will I do it? Corrupt ka. So, sabihin mo, hulihin mo. Wala, mag-uhuli. Kasali sila sa... Look at, sabi ko nga, malalim to. Hindi, wala lang kayo manawa. Sabi ko, at that time, I was not at liberty. Ngayon may immunity ako. So, ang trabaho ko is just to inform the people the right to be heard ang public of what is happening to his country. That's the point there. I am not there to give you a process, due or undue. Ang presidente is the chief enforcer of the laws of the land. And he sees to it that the public is informed of the dangers confronting his community. Yan ang trabaho ng mayor, according to the interpretation of me. Wala pa.
President Duterte also emphasized no demolition without relocation policy for informal settlers under his term.
And during my time, there will be no demolition pag walang relocation. Di papayag. Kasi yung walang mapuntahan, sirain mo ang bahay, parang aso. Saan pupunta yung mga tao? Where will they find another shelter? But I would be very generous to them. I'd look for money, yung lahat na gusto nating gamitin, we will go for a suitable relocation. And that is why itong mga bagong papasok, we have to build new industries. We have to create an activity, economics or otherwise, para may pupuntahan sila.
As a simple person, the president during dinner even lined up to the buffet table to get his meal. He greeted chefs and waiters and was able to have selfie with them. For PTV News, this is Rocky Ignacio.
Hi, ako si Ria Fernandez. Mag-subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang ang subscribe button.